You're looking at a forecast that's going to have some wild swings as noted, 58 degrees, but tomorrow the wind chill factor will be in the 30s all day long. We go southwest, we go west, and then we go north and west. The leading edge of the cold front will gallop through here in a hurry. Hop, skip, jump, come across the mountains and slide through by 9, 10 o'clock. It'll come through basically dry. There could be a spritz here and there, nothing more. Flurries across the Catskills, that'll be an item, but an item for the Catskills. For us, it means wind, a lot of wind. We got to deal with southwest, then we're going to deal with northwest, 30 to 35 miles per hour all day long. So Friday, it's going to feel all day long in the 30s. Remember, we flirted with 60. There's a wind chill factor on Friday early in the morning. Look at Newburgh at 25. They were close to 60. And tomorrow in the afternoon, in the so-called warmth of the day under an angular sun, which is really not that strong now, 37 is your wind chill factor, 28 is your wind chill factor. That's going to be Friday night and Saturday early, only in the 30s. So the high comes in, the high leaves, enters, exit really fast. And then on Saturday, again, we'll quiet down the wind. Sunday's the pick of the weekend. Hanukkah, night 5 now. Monday, a couple of scattered showers. Wednesday, a couple of scattered showers. And we'll watch Wednesday's storm with a little bit more interest.